Here's to right now. You're surrounded by your loved ones and all are wishing you well, as you create a brand new chapter in a story that's yours to tell. We talk about the memories that you have yet to make together and the memories that you've already shared to be carried with you forever. But take the time to live today as your marriage begins. Look around and soak it up the moment we are in. For this is where the magic starts, when you both say your vows. You pledge to spend your life as ones, but of the love of your life, for you love you feel now. So yes, here's to a future that's bright and warm and clear. But more than that, here's to right now and what it means to be here.
Absolutely stunning. Peter, you may kiss your new bride.